2 months on from the Maribyrnong River flood disaster, and Melbourne Water is still unable to pinpoint how many homes were inundated. Many of them remain uninhabitable, while residents who still live along the river hope a new agreement between the Water Authority and the Bureau of Meteorology will ensure the same mistakes are never made again.
Hayden Geraldine stepped outside for a walk.
A fair bit of water.
When he noticed the flood waters rising. Within a few hours, he was sheltering on the second floor with his elderly neighbours. 9 months on, he says there should have been more warning.
They should have known that this area here was at risk.
At least 500 homes were inundated, while the SES performed 31 rescues. Melbourne Water maintains its Watch and Act alert, issued 3 days before the flood, was adequate.
Well, the warning systems were the best and are the best we have in place.
Flood-affected residents who are still facing another year before they can move back into their homes aren't convinced.
Melbourne Water held themselves out as the experts in water management, but in fact they weren't. They really had absolutely no idea what was going on. First thing they did was start blaming the Bureau of Meteorology.
The Water Authority says it will now streamline its warning systems in partnership with the Bureau of Meteorology, in the hope it may save crucial minutes. Many of the residents whose properties were ruined in the Maribyrnong River disaster have moved away from the area. Those who remain hope the new system will ensure past mistakes are never repeated. Melbourne Water's own inquiry into the disaster is due to report back by November, while a parliamentary inquiry is ongoing. Caitlin Dugan for 10 News First.